Hey friends, it's Debbie and I'm so excited to share this fresh spring makeup look using 5 products from this month's IPSY's and BoxyCharm box. I am using some beauty water to wet my skin, and we always want to start with a clean face, and this First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Cleanser is a dream. I love that it's gentle, fragrance free, and it removes everything without stripping my skin. You could use a washcloth or head over to your sink to wipe all of the cleanser off, and my skin is looking wonderful, and if you guys could feel it, it feels so soft and so supple. Next up is this Origins Ginseng Brightening Eye Cream. I love the lightweight texture, and it instantly perks up my tired eyes with a soft peachy glow. Now what you want to do is to tap and then gently rub in your eye cream. It helps reduce puffiness. Okay, I am really loving this Mischo Beauty Lip Balm Butter. It is silky, buttery, and it preps my lips perfectly for any lipstick, and I think it looks fantastic just wearing it alone. Now for the fun part, this Candy Cravings palette by Laura Geller is adorable. It has 12 beautiful eyeshadow shades, a blush, and a highlighter, everything you need in one palette. Using a neutral color, I chose that as my base color, and now I'm going to emphasize the outer corner of my eyes with a darker shade. Using the soft part of my ring finger, I am using one of the shimmery shades, and I like to apply it to the middle of my lids, and it gives it such a pretty pop of color with a lot of shimmer. For the spring eye makeup look, I didn't want to use eyeliner, so I dabbed my brush in one of the darker shades and lined the lower lash line to give it kind of a soft, smudgy look that's just perfect for spring. Next, my goal is to highlight my brow ridge, and I took the shade Sweet Tooth and I just dabbed a little bit, well actually a lot of it came on my brow. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I took the color White Chocolate and dabbed it right there, and a little bit does go a long way. Next up, it is blush time, and I'm using the Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush from Fenty Beauty, and this is the perfect spring color. It blends like a dream, and it adds just the right amount of color. So I feel like a little bit goes a long way. It layers beautifully. I love the outcome. What do you guys think? To tie everything together, I'm using my own lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. It is so pretty. I love this color pink. And here's the final look. Fresh, easy, and totally spring approved, all thanks to my IPSY and BoxyCharm box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I want slow love, uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow.